Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the 𝗪𝗡𝗡 brand small round side table. It's 3 tiers, you can see. It's an oval action table for small spaces. It's rustic wood, easy to assemble. It's a nice brown wood simulated color on there, you can see, and they put some patterns in there so it's got some texture to it, so it looks very real. And you can see it has the 3 smaller legs, the adjustable feet, and 3 and 3, and these are a little different. These ones here have the screws on each end, and this one has the longer screw on one end and the receiving end there. So it comes with an instruction manual, and it has a little thank you sales thing, and you could get an extra year warranty, so you get 2-year warranty on it, and then it has the included instruction sheet right there. So what's nice about this is it's all rustic looking and simple to install, and these are 25mm thick metal legs, and that's really a thick metal for strength, and they're all edge-free corners on this, and so that you don't have to worry about bumping into it. You know, if you have children or animals, this is sanded down and it's nice and smooth finish. You can install things on all 3 tiers and get a unique look to it. So let's assemble this. So we're going to take the panel that's labeled A first on here, and you see it has these little receptor pieces, and we're going to take these and we're going to rotate these clockwise, and they're going to thread into those pieces right there. Do all 3 of those first. And I want to point out that I'm putting the shorter screw into this A piece first. Now it's telling us to place the B panel on top here, so that just plops right on there and the screws protrude through. And then it's telling us to put the other legs, which has the receptor threads on there, onto these bolts that come out. And there you go, now I have that put on. Now we got this final piece right here with the longer threads coming out, and we're going to place the B other additional shelf onto these screws, just like that. The screws are protruding, and then we're going to place the legs with the receptor thread on there onto each one of these, and there all 3 of them are on now. And now we can do the final assembly, putting these adjustable legs onto each one of these receptor threads. And there, now it's complete. And what's nice is each one of these could be adjusted independently to raise and lower them so that you could have it sit flat even if you have a floor that's a little bit off. And there it is assembled. And I gotta tell you, this thing is very durable feeling. With these thicker legs, this thing just feels like it could hold a lot of weight. You can see it looks really nice also. So here's just one example where you could use it as a little side table, and I'm utilizing the 3 shelves, and it looks nice and cozy in that corner.